everyone, welcome back to Easy Byte. Today we are covering file handling with quick MCQs to boost your skills. Test your knowledge, pause the video if you need more time, and see how many you get right. Let's get started. Which header file is required for file operations in C? Options are stdlib.h, stdio.h, string.h, and math.h. Option B is correct. stdio.h contains functions for file handling like fopen and fclose. Which function is used to open a file? Options are open, fopen, file open, and fopen file. Option B is correct. Fopen opens a file and return a file pointer. What does fopen function returns if the file fails to open? Options are null, 0, -1, and end of file. Option A is correct. It returns null pointer if unable to open file. Which mode opens a file for writing only and creates a new file if it does not exist? Options are R, W, A, and R+. Option B is correct. W mode creates or truncates file for writing. Which mode opens a file for appending data? Options are R, W, A+. Option C is correct. A opens file to append data at the end. Which function closes an opened file? Options are fclose function, close function, file close function, and end file function. Option A is correct. Fclose function closes the file and free resources. What is the return type of fgetC function? Options are int, char, void, and file pointer. Option A is correct. It returns an int to allow end of file and char values. What does fgetC function do? Options are reads a character from a file, writes a character to a file, opens a file, and closes a file. Option A is correct. It reads next character from the given file stream. What does fprintf function do? Options are reads formatted input from a file, writes formatted output to a file, writes unformatted data to a file, and reads unformatted data from a file. Option B is correct. It writes formatted data like printf but to a file. Which function reads a string from a file? Options are fgets function, gets function, scanf function, fscanf function. Option A is correct. Fgets function reads a line or a string safely from a file. Which function writes a string to a file? Options are fputs function, puts function, fprintf function, printf function. Option A is correct. Fputs function writes a string to a file without formatting. What does feof function returns? Options are non-zero if end of file reached, 0 if end of file reached, number of characters read, and end of file value. Option A is correct. It returns non-zero after end of file is detected. What is the purpose of rewind function? Options are close file, move file pointer to beginning, move file pointer to end, and flush buffer. Option B is correct. It sets file position indicator to starts of file. What is a file pointer? Options are a pointer to a variable, a pointer to a file stream, a pointer to a memory address, and none of the above. Option B is correct. File points to internal file stream structure. Which function moves the file pointer to a specific location? Options are fseek function, seek function, fmove function, fset function. Option A is correct. Fseek function changes the file position indicator. Which function tells current position of file pointer? Options are ftell function, tell function, fpost function, and post function. Option A is correct. ftells function returns correct position of a file. What does fread function do? Options are reads binary data from file, writes binary data to file, read text data from file, and write text data to file. Option A is correct. fRead function reads block of binary data from file. What is the use of fWrite function? Options are reads binary data, writes binary data, read text data, and writes formatted text. Option B is correct. fWrite function writes block of binary data to file. What is EOF? Options are end of file, error on file, exit on file, and none. Option A is correct. EOF signals that no more data can be read from file. What value does EOF hold? Options are 0, -1, 255, and none. Option B is correct. EOF is usually defined as -1 in stdio.h. What is the output of this code? Options are file opened successfully, file not found, error, and no output. Option B is correct. fopen returns null if file doesn't exist in R mode. Which function flushes the output buffer? Options are fflush function, flush function, clear function, fclear function. Option A is correct. fflush function forces writing buffer data to file. Can a file be opened simultaneously in read and write mode? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. R plus and W plus modes allow both reading and writing. Which mode opens a file for both reading and appending? Options are R plus, W plus, A plus, and RW. Option C is correct. A plus opens file for reading and appending. Can file pointers be null? Options are yes and no. Option A is correct. Null indicates file open failure. Which function is used to remove a file? Options are delete function, remove function, unlink function, and erase function. Option B is correct. Remove function deletes the file from the file system. Which function renames a file? Options are rename function, change function, move function, and alter function. Option A is correct. Rename function changes file name or location. In file handling, files can be opened in binary or text mode. Options are both, only text, only binary, and none. Option A is correct. Files can be opened in either binary or text mode. Which function reads formatted input from a file? Options are scanf function, fscanf function, gets function, and fgets function. Option B is correct. fscanf function reads formatted data from a file. What is the correct way to check end of file? Options are given below. Option A is correct. feof function returns non-zero if end of file reached. How many did you get right? Comment below your scores and any questions you have. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.